Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Marilyn here. I have for you an unboxing video today. I am so excited to share you the September limited edition kit by My Creative Scrapbook. This month the kit is featuring 49 markets, a pan mix two of collections in this kit that are my favorites, and I'm so excited to show you. The first thing that I'm showing you now is the laser cut. Look this beauty, and the easy way to work with it is that you don't need scissors. You just remove this die cut from the paper and that's it, it's ready. Now I'm going to show you the first papers are from the Serendipitous collection. Look how lovely is this paper, and look the back dark. This collection is so beautiful. And look this one with all the mixed media already. Look the color of this side, very beautiful. Oh my, look this color, the lilacs and the blue is gorgeous. Look the butterfly, and you have stripes on the back. It is one of my favorites. Look the wood grain. This paper is gorgeous and the color are so pretty. Okay, and the other part of the paper are from the irrevocable collection. Look, these beautiful flowers, the colors, beautiful. The color of this collection are similar to the Serendipity but more bright. Look this paper, you can cut through the lines and create dimension. Look the back, so pretty. Oh my, look this paper, how pretty with this frame, beautiful. And this, as you see, the papers this month are beautiful. All are favorites. So it's hard to see because you want to work with all. And let me show you the rest. Look what you have from the irrevocable collection. You get these that are the book of the laser cuts, so you will have plenty of laser cut to work. And I forgot to show you that behind here you get some frames and things to cut, but all these pieces are laser cuts that you don't need scissors and are beautiful. You can work cards, journals, different projects, and you get a 6x6 stencil by Prima. Look how pretty. Nice for mixed media and to give different touches to the page. Then you get color bloom. This is the oregano color, so I will mix with water and it will be ready. And then last but not least, you get 3 packages of flower. This month all the flowers are from 49. Look this vine, how pretty, and the colors. I love this package because you have 3 different sizes of flowers, but all the leaves. And look this, how pretty this violet color. Let me put all the products here so you can take a last look to all this beauty that comes in the kit. I will let you down below in the description box the link to the kit, the link to my social media in which you can see other projects that I made, and I come back soon with my first video tutorial. You will see in a few hours, but meanwhile I will let you hear 2 more videos that maybe you are interested. I hope that you enjoy, and I see you soon. Nos vemos, bye bye.